I'm Jamila Payne and welcome to my channel. I am the blogger over at Color Me Crafty, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a faux pressed flower design in Canva. We are going to be putting them on these bookmarks with UV DTF that I ordered from Ninja Transfers, but they turned out adorable. These would make a really good gift for the book lover in your life. Okay, let's get into it. In Canva, I am going to create a custom size of 100 width and then 450 for the height. The size of my bookmark is about 97 by 400. So what we're going to do now is we're going to find some pressed flowers here in Canva, and we're just going to add them to the bookmark. And you'll just keep placing and copying until you have a design that you're happy with. I think that's good. Now we'll add a cute little quote in there. So I'm going to grab some text and get it all typed in and find a font that I like for this. And I think that one is good. Halium, I think is what it is. I'm going to turn this and then stretch everything out so that it fits along the length of the bookmark. And if you can see that it's snapping, I don't want it to snap. So I'm going to hold down Command on my computer, on my Mac, and move it where I want it to go. So all that's left now is to go ahead and get this saved and printed. I am sending mine in to print on UV DTF. So I just need to save it in a way to make sure that it matches my bookmark design. What I need to do is go up here to share, click on download, and you have the pro option of downloading as an SVG, which is what I'll use, or you can download as a PDF. And either works perfect if you're using something like Ninja Transfers to order. But like I said, I'm going to do SVG. I'm going to download it with a transparent background. SVG and transparent background both are premium features. Then go ahead and click on download and let it download to your device. And then if you have your own printer, you can go ahead and print it out. You can also print this on a clear sticker paper and just stick it on. Okay, let's go get this pressed on. I ordered UV DTF prints with the design that I created in Canva, and I cut these out of clear acrylic on my laser cutter. So you're going to need your DTF prints, some acrylic blanks. You can grab those on Etsy or Amazon as well. I'll drop a couple links in the description. You're going to need some kind of scraper, and I have my X-Acto knife because I believe that my design is actually bigger than what I cut my bookmarks out. You're also going to want some kind of cleaner. I'm going to just use alcohol, and that's just to make sure that there's no oils or anything from my fingers on the acrylic. I'm pretty sure I used my X-Tool P2 to cut these out, but I can't remember. So I am just peeling off the backing, and then I'm going to center the design here. Now, before I go and take off the front sheet, I'm going to use my X-Acto knife and get rid of the extra on the outside. You can see how it's hanging over the lip. Now I have all of the excess cut off of the edges, and I'm going to go over with the scraper one more time. Let's see a piece that I missed. And then I'm going to pull up the transfer backing. And from there, if you wanted to, you could paint the back or put a name on the back or whatever, but I think these turned out really pretty. And to finish it off, you can add a ribbon inside there. And there's your bookmark that you made in Canva.